Hello guys, this is another outdoor shoot, so please avoid any other background noises and others noises. Welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. Today we are going to discuss about a revolutionary AI tool specially designed for persons with print disabilities. Friends, we have already made a video about PixieBot. What is that? PixieBot is the first AI tool that can describe videos. But in PixieBot there is a problem. For the free version you can get the video description, but you can't understand. You can get the total overview of the video. But today I'm going to show with you another incredible powerful AI tool. Yes, powerful AI tool that will give you scene by scene video description. Yes, even guys, when the video is playing, when you share this video with this tool, when you play this video will automatically stop and you can get the detailed description, scene by scene description. So this is an amazing creation for us, and this tool is really helps us. The tool name is Sing AI. Okay, so you already know that what is Sing AI. Sing AI is designed by Microsoft. Okay, you already know what is Sing AI. Sing AI is a tool that will that actually helps us in different tasks related to camera and AI, things like scene description, text reading, and some other things. We have made a complete video of Sing AI tools. If you want to know more, you can visit our AI with screen readers playlist. There you can watch it. So guys, now Sing AI introduced their incredible powerful AI feature which supports video description. So let's start. I have one small video. It's a video song which I have received from WhatsApp. Now I'm going to share this video with Sing AI, and let's see how this tool helps me to understand about the video. So let me open a WhatsApp.
Unlock to use WhatsApp. Authenticated. WhatsApp.
Okay, so let me quickly switch to my TTS or slow down the TTS so that you can able to understand. So this is the video which I have now opened. Let me share this video.
More option.
Click on more options and then
show in chat. Share.
Click on share.
WhatsApp.
And now
share.
here I need to find the Sing AI option.
Quick share. Seeing AI 3 of 25.
Okay, so just I'm double tapping on Sing AI.
Processing. Please wait while descriptions for the video are generated. This may take several minutes, depending on the length of the video. Close.
So you are hearing this sound because this sound indicates that your video description is being generated using Sing AI. So it will take time because it's a new feature first of all, and second thing, it's an innovative feature. So it takes times based on your video length. It's a video of 63 seconds. So it will take some times. So let's wait for some times. In the meantime, you can share this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tips and tricks and videos like this. Don't forget to join us on official Telegram and WhatsApp. The links are given in the video description below. You can also follow us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp channel link is given in the pin command. Guys, we have started a daily quiz. Every day at 8 a.m. you will get one video about new contest, new questions about the technology at 8 a.m. on our official YouTube channel, as well as you can also get the same on our Instagram and Facebook. So don't forget to watch those videos. This is a new initiative from us. So guys, let's wait. In the meantime, let me announce something. Guys, we are offering certified online courses. So 2025 batch for computer basic to advanced computer course will start from January 1st 2025 and it will end 31st March 2025. So it's a paid and certified course, and the course fees is 2,100 rupees for the entire course. It includes everything live classes, class recordings, study materials, supports, exams and other things. So guys, those who are new and those who can understand English, they can easily join. In this course, you will learn very basic to advanced computers, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, email, Outlook, JAWS, NVDA,
Seeing two birds perched on a tree trunk, appearing to interact with each other.
AI
6
tools.
minutes. Stop. 2 0. The two birds continue to face each other on the tree trunk. A liquid is being poured over a collection of fabric, creating a vibrant orange pattern.
So guys, I'm just swiping from left to right because the results is generated.
Rewind. Hide. Quick help. Feedback. Result.
Results,
Feedback.
feedback,
Quick help.
quick help,
Hide player controls.
hide player controls.
Rewind. Play. Button.
So now play button,
Fast forward 15
fast forward
seconds.
15 seconds.
011. Slider.
Okay, next.
The person continues
See.
to climb the palm tree, surrounded by a landscape of more trees.
This is the scene. Okay, now I'm just playing the video.
0. Fast. Play. The person is holding play. Button.
And it's automatically stops when the scene changes. Okay, next I'm just swiping from left to right again.
Fast. 013. A person is holding a large pot, standing in a misty or foggy environment.
So you now understand the next scene. So let's see.
0. Fast. Play. Button.
Again I'm playing the video.
A close-up of a pot filled with a white substance, possibly a liquid or powder. Fast. Pause. Fast. Pause. A person is pouring a liquid. Fast forward 15. 0. The person continues to pour the liquid from the pot.
Now, if you are interested to listen the both video things and the description, so what you need to do is you need to reduce your media volume a little bit, and your accessibility volume should be higher than media volume, so that you can able to listen to your media as well as listen to the description also. Now, as my TTS speed is little high in Seeing AI, so maybe that's why it creates a little bit problem. Maybe you are not able to understand. So for that, I just swipe from left to right and help you to understand what's there in the video. So this is how you can easily understand what's there in the video. Scene by scene description is not like overall description like what we can get for the image or what we can get in the pixel bar. This is a revolution, really it's revolution. So at least one like this video deserves, right? And obviously this feature also. So use this feature and share your thoughts into the comment section. That's it guys for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay subscribed, stay tuned. Bye bye.